And this snowstorm is now the biggest Boston has seen in 4 years. WBZ's Mike Sullivan shows us the impact in the city.
Here in Boston, it's a bit of work hard, play hard. Down at the Common, people are skiing and sledding and, well, building forts. And it's really fun down here as long as you can find a way to actually get here. To do that, some people are shoveling themselves out. Southie, it's all hands on deck, with neighbors helping neighbors. People we talk to feel like they're fighting a never-ending battle. The moment they get their cars clear, more snow just starts to pile up. Some residents aren't expecting to drive to work for a few days.
I mean, everybody is kind of working together, sharing shovels, helping each other shovel out each other's cars.
It's getting heavier too, it's getting colder, so it was like fluffier yesterday, but now it's just starting to get pretty tough.
Came out at about 8 p.m. last night. I came out again at around midnight, celebrate the win a little bit. Got a couple layers off the car, and this is my third time shoveling the car out.
Out here on the Common, people are getting to work by any means necessary. That even means by skis. We spoke to a couple who is down here on the Common cross-country skiing. They were going for a bit of coffee, but later one of them is going to ski all the way to their office door to work, and then ski all the way home. In Boston, I'm Mike Sullivan, WBZ News.